To properly disinfect your PPE, it's important to remember that you have to clean the items first. So if you have a respirator, you need to actually wash the respirator with a surfactant, and then you can really use any disinfectant, but the CDC recommends bleach. So the proper dilution would be anywhere from a 1/3 cup per gallon to 1 cup per gallon. We at Cleans use 1 cup per gallon. And then it's important, once that sits in the bleach for 10 minutes, that it comes out and gets rinsed off. The other really important thing to remember is once you mix that bleach water, it's only good for 24 hours. So don't put it in a bottle and let it sit in your shelf for 2 weeks, because it's not going to be good.